Hello, my name is Jonathan Igumia, 21 years old. I'm enrolled in Batangas State University. My program is Mechatronics Technology, under of College of Engineering Technology. I'm looking to bring my specialist skills in electrochemical system to your team, focusing on performance and reliability. My foundation is built on the practical application in pneumatics and hydraulics. I have hands-on experience interpreting schematic diagram, maintaining actuator, and optimizing circuit for efficiency and safety. My combined knowledge is provide a holistic understanding essential for maintaining complex and modern machinery. I am a detail-oriented problem solver, committed operational efficiency. Thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to discuss my expertise in pneumatics and hydraulic system can directly benefit your operation.